Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create multiple Android devices on your Windows PC or laptop. Whether you want to run Android apps, test applications, or play your favorite Android games, this is one of the best ways to do it. So if you've been looking for a simple way to run Android on your PC without dealing with complicated setups, you're in the right place. The best part is that you're not limited to just one device. You can create multiple virtual Android devices and run them whenever you need. These Android devices also support key mapping, allowing you to customize your keyboard and mouse controls exactly the way you want. This makes Android gaming on PC much more comfortable and enjoyable. Another great thing is that these virtual devices run on Android 12, which means they can easily handle most modern Android apps and games without any issues. If you have a low-end PC, I recommend running a single Android device for the best performance. However, if you want to run multiple Android devices at the same time, it's a good idea to have at least 8 GB to 16 GB of RAM to ensure everything runs smoothly. So give this video a tight thumbs up and let's get started without wasting any time. Now let's go ahead and download the emulator. First, open your favorite web browser and search for MuMu Player. Open first website from results. You can also find direct link of this website in description or in first comment. Once you're on the official website, you'll see a download button right on the homepage. Click on it and the setup file will start downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, right-click on it and open it. The installation window will now appear. Simply click on Install Now and the installer will begin downloading the files required to set up the emulator. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so just sit back and let it finish. Once the installation is complete, MuMu Player will launch automatically for the first time. When you first open it, you'll notice several different options and settings available. Don't worry about those for now, we'll explore them later. For now, close it. You can also make emulator full screen if you want. Now, let's test installing any app or game. The first time you open the Play Store, you'll be asked to sign in with a Google account. Just enter your account details and sign in to start using it. After signing in, you can install apps and games exactly the same way you would on a regular Android phone. Simply search for what you want and click Install. If you return to the main control panel, you'll find the Multi-Instance Manager. This feature allows you to create multiple Android devices on the same computer. This can be useful if you want to run multiple accounts, test different apps, or keep separate Android environments for different tasks. What's even better is that each Android device can have its own settings. For example, you can decide how much RAM and how many CPU cores each device should use. If your PC has limited resources, you can keep the settings lower. If you have a more powerful system, you can allocate more resources for better performance. And once created, simply click on the play button to start your Android emulator. Each device has its own model and different IP address. And that's how you can create multiple Android devices on Windows. Overall, it has a simple setup process, smooth performance, and plenty of useful features for both everyday Android usage and gaming. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others who might find it useful.